Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Rufus for creating bootable USB drives, installing operating systems, or running recovery tools, this video's for you. Today we're going to look at the major updates in 2025. What's changed, what's improved, and why you might want to update. Before we begin, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more useful tech guides. Let's start with the headline. Update. New version releases. In 2025, Rufus has rolled out versions with active improvements and bug fixes to keep it compatible with the latest operating systems and hardware. One big change in the recent versions is the switch to using wimlib for processing Windows WIM image files. This makes opening Windows ISO files and creating Windows to Go type drives faster than before. A useful boost if you often build Windows installation media or portable system drives. Another major update is support for newer ISO formats and improved secure boot compatibility. Rufus now handles new ISO image types more efficiently and works better on systems with strict secure boot requirements. Also, there are user interface enhancements and expanded language support. Recent updates improved accessibility, readability, and localization, making Rufus easier to use on devices with different languages. Finally, there are numerous bug fixes and stability improvements. Things like fixing crashes on certain USB controllers, correcting partition label inconsistencies during ISO writes, and improving reliability when dealing with large or complicated ISO files. What does this all mean for you? If you haven't updated Rufus recently, 2025 versions are better equipped to handle modern Windows versions, support newer ISO formats, and offer greater speed and reliability. Updating before creating new bootable media is a smart move, especially if you're using Windows 11 or dealing with secure boot PCs. If you found this update summary useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others who use Rufus, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.